Now, the FCC for the United States does have definitions of what the IR, the intentional radiator, can do when it comes to the type of power used in the radio frequency. The IR, by the way, part of the definition to be an IR is that the whole purpose of the device is to generate radio frequency instead of it being a byproduct of its main function. A byproduct might be when you run a vacuum cleaner. The motor will cause some interference. It'll send out some signal that could cause interference, but that was not the purpose of the vacuum cleaner, so it was just a byproduct of its function. On the IRs, the FCC is going to regulate the power levels that we can use, and when we get into the math, we'll talk about why we measure things in milliwatts. But we also use the term decibels, which is a way of showing a relation between the power and the milliwatts that we have. And so we get in, like I said, we're going to get into that math, and you're going to understand, I hope, the difference between decibels and this measurement in milliwatts, or the comparison. So typically, we use 1 milliwatt to represent our starting point of what we're going to measure in these decibels. And the decibels are going to help us see a relation between 1 milliwatt, 10 milliwatts, 100 milliwatts. You know, I want to tell you so much right now, but it's a little difficult because we first have to get through understanding all of these different measurements and then put it together in a big picture for you.